Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a medical oxygen regulator. First, gather all your necessary equipment, including the oxygen tank, the regulator, and your nasal cannula. Always wash your hands thoroughly before you begin. Next, visually inspect both the oxygen tank valve and the regulator for any signs of damage or debris. Make sure your oxygen tank is securely placed in an upright position on a stable surface. Now, let's attach the regulator. Carefully remove the protective plastic cap from the oxygen tank valve outlet. Next, align the regulator's pins with the corresponding holes on the tank valve. Gently but firmly push the regulator onto the tank valve, making sure it fits snugly. Finally, hand tighten the T-handle screw on the regulator until it is completely secure and you feel no movement. With the regulator attached, it's time to set the flow. Slowly turn the tank valve counterclockwise to open the oxygen flow. You'll see the pressure gauge indicate the tank's contents. Now, adjust the flow selector knob to your prescribed liters per minute, or LPM, setting. Always double-check this setting. Listen carefully for any hissing sounds, which could signal a leak in your connection. For your final checks and usage, connect your nasal cannula or oxygen mask tubing to the regulator's outlet. Perform a final leak check by listening and feeling around all connections. You should not hear or feel any escaping gas. Confirm that oxygen is flowing through the cannula or mask before placing it on the patient. Remember to always turn off the oxygen tank valve completely when not in use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.